Il-proġett tal-Power Station ta' Dellimara miexi kif pjanat. Żorna x-xogħlijiet u rajna partijiet tal-konkrit li se jagħmlu parti mill-ġeti jinħattu fis-sit. Catherine Halpin mill-Electrogas spjegat li l-fondazzjonijiet tal-ġebel li jagħmlu parti mill-ġeti diġà tpoġġew f'posthom.
The next job on the jetty is to go back through every single pile, to test it, to make sure it's perfectly level. Then we will cap those piles, each one individually. And then what is being unloaded off this ship here is going to actually be laid down on top of those caps to form the actual jetty structure, the bridge.
Il-ġetti jew aħjar il-pont se jkollu żewġ funzjonijiet li l-bastimenti fosthom dawk li jġorru l-fjuwil jitraħkaw miegħu b'mod sigur u li jiffaċilita tniżżil ta' għodda bħal pajpijiet minn bastimenti għall-art li ma' għodda sservi għal qalba l-ingass naturali.
The jetty is a critical part of the infrastructure. It's gone through rigorous design standards and testing because it has to be a very, very safe landing point for our vessels.
Ix-xogħol fuq il-pont beda fil-bidu tas-sajf u sejjer aħjar milli previst.
At the moment they're progressing slightly ahead of schedule, which is good because anything offshore you really need to get in early and do it early in case there's any problems encountered with the seabed.
Halpin spjegat li x-xogħol fuq il-ġeti jibqa' jsir sal-aħħar nett biex ikun perfezzjonat ix-xogħol. Semmejna l-maltemp li għamel fawwissu jekk dan kien x'taxkil għax-xogħol.
We actually had factored into the design that there could be bad weather. So they're using a special barge, which is a jack-up barge, which actually comes up out of the water. Therefore, if there's waves in the water, it doesn't affect progress. That was done on purpose, just in case we'd have the conditions that we saw this summer.
Il-parti ta' fuq tal-pont se tkun qed titlesta u titqiegħed posta fix-xhur li ġejjin.